Welcome to Chicken Dairies for February 25th, 2026. Memphis Belle is getting into her breakfast. Oh yes. No rush, girl. You're the only one who's getting it. Your friends, your future friends aren't big enough yet. Good girl. Look at her scatter that food. Well, today's forecast at the moment, mostly sunny. Our 3 new friends are doing well. They're getting bigger every day. Well, it'll be a couple of weeks before they're out here, because they're currently at the size they could easily get through the fence. So, yeah, have to wait till they're big enough so they can't go next door or do something like that. I remember in the past we had problems with Red Baroness, who used to get up on the roof of the previous roof of the chicken pen and fly out next door. Hopefully our new ladies don't do the same thing. We had a bit of rain last night, 1.5 mils and 0.6 in the early hours of this morning, so that's good. Well, we'll leave the girl to eat and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching this edition of Chicken Diaries. Till next time, bye for now.